Hi there, I'm Jess O'Reilly from Sex with Dr. Jess, and I'm coming to New York City in May with Modern Sex Therapy Institutes for a 2-day interactive workshop and training on strategies for addressing the most common sexual issues faced by singles, couples, and thruples and groups as well. We're going to be talking about practical approaches to managing differentials in desire, sexless marriages, painful sex, difficulties with orgasm. And we'll also be looking at how systemic oppression and our own personal biases come into play and how that can affect the outcomes for the people we're working with, clients and patients. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I'll see you in New York City.